Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to add lattice, okay? So where we can add a lattice is we can press Shift A or go to here, add lattice, okay? So we can Shift A and go add the lattice. You see it's a cube, it's like a cube but not really a cube. It's like a lines of cube, isn't it? Like edges of the cube. So what we can do is that we should we have some forms that we can't easily create it or to be created with a sphere. Okay, for example, with a sphere. For example, if I want to create an egg, I can't use sphere, but I should use sphere and lattice. How? Maybe you'll say how. Let's see how. Shift A and let's add Shift A and add a UV sphere. Okay, so it's hidden. The lattice is gone. What I'll do is that I'll go to the lattice and scale it. Select it from here and S and make it bigger. So I will make it like a cage for the sphere. Like the sphere should fit in. Like if I take this sphere out, I can take the so I can be able to take the sphere inside like this. Okay, like a box. So I should fit it. And what we can do is that I can select this and right click. I can shade smooth. I can make it smooth, so it will not be rough like shade flat. It's not good. We want shade smooth. Okay, so we know that if we select this, we can see that we can go to the lattice object data properties. We can add the resolution from U. From there we can select like this, or we can make it 3, or make it V like this, or it should be like this. I like it to be 3 for now, and the W is for here. I'll put it 3. Okay, so maybe you'll say, what is this? Why you are creating this? I'm creating this so I will have the vertices to pull up. You'll say, why you should pull up? Calm down, we are going to understand the things simply. So calm down, nothing to worry, just see. I'm going to accept that the ball, the sphere or the ball is the sun. Is the sun. I don't mean the sun in the weather. The sun, the father and the son. I will treat this lattice as a father. Why? Because fathers, when they do something, the son should accept it. Okay. For example, if the father, the lattice, says that to the son, to study, they should study. Okay, like this. Think it like this. I'm just giving an example, easy example. So what should I do? I should say that the son should obey, or like saying obeying, isn't it? It's like they do what the parent says, or the parent or the father says. For example, if I select this, I say that the son should obey the father. So I should select the father. Shift and select. Shift and left select. So the red one is affected. So the father will say something and the son will be affected, and he will do the thing that the father told it, or the parent told it. So I should do something. So I'll go to the object, tell the object that in the parent should apply a lattice deform, or I can go to the shortcut Control P. I'll go to the shortcut Control P, I could go to the lattice deform. You see, nothing happened. You'll say, then why you did this? Wait a minute. Let's click on this and go to the lattice. Tell the father, let's tell the father, control the father. Let's control the father. So we should go to the edit mode or tab. I'll click on tab and go to where I'll select this. I'll select this center and grab G. I'll tell the father to tell the son to go up from this direction, and G, Z, like this. You see? Isn't that cool? The father tells the son to do what he wants, like that. And another thing is that I can select these and select these to make the egg a little bit bigger, scale it like this, so it will be normal for us to see it. And I will select this and select this and select this and select this, and I will just scale it from this direction, and you can see we created an egg. So I'll press tab, and I can see I can hide the father. When the father dies, the son will obey the father's or the parent rules. Okay, so like that, you can think like that. Okay, like that, it's an egg. So let's delete this one and go to another thing. Shift A, and I'll go to the, for example, I'll go to the monkey, Suzanne. And Shift A and go to the lattice. Okay, it's small, so I'll scale it so it can fit the Suzanne monkey head. So what I will do, I will tell the son should obey the father, but before that we can change it from here. How many rules should the father have, or how many resolutions the father should or parent have? It's like I'm making it simple for you. Okay, you can tell the rules before the son is created, like this. You can think like this, or you'll tell the son the rules later on. Okay, after parenting it. So I'll tell the son the son should obey the father. So Shift, and this one should be affected because it's more oranger or more orange than the father. So the father has the effect of us. Like, think of us like a grandfather affecting the father, and the father will tell the son to do what we told our son. This is the son. I'm grandfather. Let us accept that we are the grandfather. This is the father. This is the son of us and father of this son. Okay. So what I'll do, Control P, and I'll go to the lattice deform, and I'll select this and tell the rules later on. For example, like this, and I can tab it and select these things. For example, I don't want to select this. Let's just select this. And G, you can see, isn't it? This is cool. G, you see what happened? You see? And we can scale it like this. And we can press C, so it will be like a circle. So I'll just tell this part to be selected and scale it. I'll just right click, so I will go out from the circle selection, and G and X. You see what happened? Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's cool. So let's press tab and delete them, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.